the clock, the JK flip-flop. Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to invite you for a conversation about the clock, the JK flip-flop. The figure shows the logic symbol of the clock, the JK flip-flop, that is triggered by the positive going edge of the clock. The J and K inputs control the states of the flip-flop, but the flip-flop will respond to the inputs only at the occurrence of the positive going edge of the clock. The function table shows how the flip-flop reacts to the various combinations of the inputs at the occurrence of the positive going transition of the clock. Now let's take a look at its operation. Initially, both J and K are 0, but suddenly K becomes 1 at the occurrence of the first positive going transition of the clock, named here A. K is 1, J is 0, J 0, K 1, the output is 0. Then, if initially Q is 1, at the occurrence of the first positive going transition of the clock, Q becomes 0. The flip-flop will respond to the inputs only at the occurrence of the subsequent positive going transition of the clock. Here, I labeled it B. At B, J is 1 and K is 1. 1 with 1, the output toggles. The output was 0, then it toggles to 1. It becomes 1. Next, the output and the flip-flop will respond to the inputs only at the occurrence of the subsequent positive going edge of the clock. At C both K and J are 0, and the output will not change. The output stays the same. And the flip-flop will respond to the inputs only at the occurrence of the subsequent positive going edge of the clock. At D, K is 0 and J is 1. J 1, K 0, it is 1. As it was already 1, it stays 1. And the subsequent positive going edge of the clock is E. At E, both are 1. When both are 1, the output toggles. The output will toggle from 1 to 0. Okay? This is how the flip-flop behaves. Okay, my friends, this was the video that I wanted to make. I hope you guys learned from it and enjoyed it. I am a teacher. If you want to book a lesson with me, use my WhatsApp number, guys. Goodbye!